Hey planners, welcome back to the channel. It's Sarah here, Creating with Sarah. Thanks so much for stopping by in another planner video. Today's video is so exciting. I have the new Plan Anything Autumn Mood Box. We're getting ready for fall. So if you guys want to see an unboxing of the August Plan Anything Autumn Box, then keep on watching. Are you guys excited? I'm excited. So Amber from Plan Anything reached out to me and wanted me to share this with you guys. So I'm excited to unbox this, give you guys a sneak peek of what's to come for the fall. So this is her planner subscription. She actually also sent me a new classic cover for you guys to get a sneak peek as well. You guys know that I have the other beautiful marble cover that I purchased myself. There will be a link down below. It is affiliate link if you guys want to check out these awesome planners goodies. So again, this first little bundle here is the Autumn Mood Plan Anything subscription box. Super cute. I love fall. You guys, you see my candle over here just to set the mood because I love the smell of fall. Okay, and then this is going to be the new cover. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the subscription box first to share with you all. How cute is this card? Oh my gosh. So this has little pumpkins on it and a little ghosty. I love fall. So on the back of this card is an information card to tell you what's inside your August subscription box. And it's super friendly. I love her friendly little touches. It says, "Hi, thank you for purchasing the Autumn Mood Plan Anything box. This box includes one sticker book." You guys, this one has a sticker book. I think it's the first one with a full 30 sheets. You get 2 size regular washi, a pen, and a pouch. Look at the bats and the webs. Isn't that cute? Okay, let's get into this packaging. So everything comes in a box, and then you get this fun packaging. Here's everything that comes in this month's Plan Anything August Autumn Moon box. Super cute. Oh my gosh. So here's the pen. I'll share these close up in a sec. Here's your 2 washi. Here is your full 30 sheet sticker books of autumn florals and pumpkins. Oh my gosh. And then we have a fun planner pouch to put all your planner goodies in. It's a good size. So I'm going to go ahead and take all the plastic off, and then we'll share some close-up. We're going to save the sticker book for last because that's what I think everyone's really excited about, and I am loving seeing these pumpkins and ghosts. Oh, I love Halloween. Okay, so let's start with the pouch. So this is a really big pouch that she has in her subscription box. I think I got the autumn one last year, and it was really cute because it was like a little organizer pencil pouch thing. But this one's really cute. It's super soft. It has all the acorns and cute pumpkins and leaves. Super pretty. So it kind of has like this washable material on it. And on the inside, it does have like a nice soft fabric as well. It's gold hardware, super easy zipper, that's important. But yeah, it has like this soft detail. So you could probably wash this and air dry it. Super soft. I love the colors. Okay. And then we have the 2 washis. This is probably a 10 mm. And let's see, where can I swatch these? Can probably swatch it on the inside of this book real quick so you guys get a little sneak peek there of those florals. All right, look at this washi. So it's the same print as the pencil pouch. Has the cute pumpkins, leaves, and acorns. Just gonna swatch it on this inside of this book here. And then the other one is the florals. Okay, so this one's like a bouquet of flowers. Got some orange, pink, a dark plum with some like white flowers. Okay, so here's the swatches up close. So you have this beautiful bouquet of flowers and then the pumpkins and acorn on this one. It's in a smaller print. This one's a little bit larger. Really pretty. It does have like that vintage spooky vibe, so that's really pretty. That's going to be pretty for layering. So those are your two washies that you get. Super fun. And then also you get this beautiful pen. It's rose gold with some orange crystal gems in there. How pretty is that? It's perfect for fall. It says Plan Anything embossed right here on the clip. And then this is a twisty pen. So let's go ahead and test that out. Let me get my list pad here. Ooh, it's really, so it's black ink gel and it's super, it glides really well. So it glides really well. I really like this pen. Her pens are always good. So this is a nice fall inspired pen. It gets a twisty. All right, should we get into the sticker book? I think so. Let's get a close-up of this packaging. It's a pretty thick book. And it's a little shorter and wider than Happy Planner. You guys can get a difference right there. Just look at the sticker book. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's flip through it. Okay, first we have those florals. And these are clear. How pretty. Then we have some smaller floral buds and then with some foliage, really pretty. All that dark, moody color scheme. Then we have the same bouquets that are on the washi, the second one. And these are clear as well, so we still have clear stickers. Then we have some beautiful wreaths. You could probably add like Halloween sticker elements to this. That was kind of trendy last year with adding bats and webs and things like that to like darker, moody florals. Then we get into some paper stickers that are sidebar and then these quarter boxes, then some half boxes. These are paper. Then we have some fun pumpkins. Really pretty. I love these types of pumpkins. Those are clear. Ooh, look at these. I just love like the whole watercolor paintbrush look to them. And the color's really rich looking, totally different. Love it. Then you have these. Very dainty looking. I love this color right here. Like burnt oranges with some greenery. Some more bouquets. Those are clear as well. Then we have some side boxes with the pumpkins. Really pretty. These are paper. Ooh, look at these bouquets. These have more brighter oranges and red tones with like the purples and the pretty sage color. Maybe great for a Thanksgiving spread. Ooh, here's more of those pinkies and purple colors with the teal. I love these colors. These are all clear. Some more bouquets. And these are great for your top or bottom pages of your planner spreads. Super easy to decorate with. Wow, I'm loving these colors. Very rich. Some more wreath stickers. And then we have boxes with more purple and that bright orange, yellow tones. We have some circle ones here. These are paper. Fun! I think we get into the icons ones. I'm super excited about these. Okay, so we have these cute trucks. These like farmhouse trucks full of pumpkins. These are awesome. Then we have some trees. Oh, I love that. So these are clear. The trucks are clear. My favorite page, we have Halloween. So we have pumpkins and ghosts and bats and cauldrons and skulls and spiders, candy. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So, all clear. And then we have jack-o'-lantern faces. We have like the spider webs. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh my gosh. And then we have like some boxes here with some of the pumpkins and ghosts and bats, and then the haunted house, some candy. Cute. These are paper. So pretty much your boxes are paper, and then like the florals and icons are going to be in the clear. Ooh, cute. And then we have some fall. Some of these images I remember from last autumn's box. I remember the owl and then the leaves. These mushrooms are really cool looking. My daughter loves mushrooms. So those are clear. Okay, so these are actually paper, and they're these colorful leaves and then these acorns. That's fun. You could probably use a white gel pen on the top of these acorns to write something specific, but that's really cute. Ooh, then we have these. These are a little bit lighter, like they've been in the sun and drying out. Really vintage looking. These are clear. Some more floral bouquets. I could definitely see like some scarecrows or other leaves and pumpkins. That whole farmhouse scene. Ooh, very pretty. Some more boxes. I'm telling you, this candle is totally setting the tone of the sticker book. I'm just like, oh my gosh, I'm so ready for fall. Okay, look at these pumpkins. These are clear, really pretty. Yes, give me all the pumpkins. Let me know down below if fall is one of your favorite times of the year. I just absolutely love it. These are really pretty. These, I think, were some of the pumpkins and florals from last year's autumn box. I remember these so pretty. Those are clear. And then lastly, we have the paper boxes, the florals. But oh my gosh, what do you guys think? This is a must-have. You totally have to have this in your collection. Look at those florals, really pretty. Oh my gosh, super exciting. Okay, so we went over the book, the washi, and the planner pouch. And this, by the way, is really big and long, so you can like put a bunch of stuff in here. I wonder if one of her Plan Anything's like Go Wild collection that she made. This is a sticker album organizer, so I just want to see if this fits in here. Ooh, totally does. But to get it to zip, you'd probably have to put everything upside and not have anything at the bottom so it could like close. There's her pen, washi. Cute. Okay, so let's share the classic autumn cover. Let's get into this classic cover. Oh my gosh, are you guys seeing this? This is simply gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Look at this band. Oh my gosh, I'm digging this bright orange for this florals. Amber. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. You know, she also has a Christmas one. I didn't get a chance to get that one last Christmas. It was like a gingerbread. I'm totally gonna order that because these classic covers. Okay, so let me show you guys the other one I have. So I purchased this one. This is the marble one, and it's, you know, for the classic, and they're super soft. And then I also have the mini, but this is from the May box. But I love them. They have like cute pockets, and they're super soft and flexible. So this one is the fall one. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. The color quality is amazing. It's just so bright. I don't know if the camera is doing this justice, but believe me, this is super gorgeous. And I just love the leaves on the inside. Oh my gosh. So it does have like pockets on each side, and then it comes with these bands. The bands are for like extra journals that fit into this classic size cover. So I just leave mine in there, and if a journal comes along, I would just put it in there. It has Plan Anything embossed at the bottom, right there. I love the bands because also you can put a charm on here too. Really cute. I'll have to share that. Putting a charm, like you could use a paper clip. It's super easy. But okay, so I should tell you guys this, you have to order separate. It does not come with the autumn subscription box. You have to order this separate. I will put all the details you need to know in the description box down below, so definitely check that out, so you guys can order this. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, I just want to see it in a planner. Oh my gosh, yeah, I'm gonna have to get my hands on that Christmas one. And also I want to mention, she's starting pre-orders for her Christmas Advent calendar, which I'm also going to participate in. I didn't participate in much last year. I think, you know, it was 2020. But I love Advent stuff. I just love opening a gift every single day, and planner stuff. Yes. So also go check that out if you guys want to pre-order for the Christmas Advent. Okay, so this is how it looks. So cute. Yay. Yeah, that's so gorgeous. I've shared all the fun goodies that you guys get in the August box, plus the planner cover. So let's have fun. And we're gonna have a plan with me using these Halloween stickers. And I'm gonna use my Happy Planner Skinny Classic. So if you guys want to check out this plan with me, then keep on watching this video. Here's my Skinny Classic. Love the Skinny Classic layout. I think the majority of you who watch my videos really do too. It's super cute. So let's hope that Happy Planner comes out with more Skinny Classics. So we're gonna pre-plan, because I want to go ahead and use those stickers for Halloween. So the 25th through the 31st. All right, so we have the washi, and then I flipped to, okay, yes, super cute. So I have 1, 2, 3 pages. I think those could work too. So 4 pages to work with. Let me get some wax paper. Okay. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, what should we use? What should we use? I know we probably should use some of these webs. Okay, so these stickers, her clear stickers, I just want to note they're kind of like a transparent type of sticker paper. Okay. Let me just cut this. And you can always, out of any sticker books, you can always take this backing off. It does help when planning and taking the stickers off, and or putting them back in if you didn't want to use that particular sticker. So cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. Acorn. Okay, I'm thinking all black right now. Black boxes. Okay, we may have to use this owl because he is a cutie. Just try to get him out of this sticker book. And I do love those mushrooms. Okay, we need this bat. And we need this cat and the cauldron. And probably we need the candy, right? Because it is, let's see which other candy I have. I really like this. I like these with the hats. Oh my gosh, too many to choose from, especially for a Halloween nerd who just, oh my gosh, I just love Halloween. It's just very nostalgic and the festivities and things like that. That's why I like it. Okay, maybe we're gonna use the candy. In the background somehow. I love how she used traditional Halloween colors too. It totally sets the mood. Because with like Halloween, I know there's like all types of color palettes and things like that, but traditionally I love the black and orange. Let's see what we have right now, because I'm not sure exactly how I want this to look, but well, actually I need to put this box in first because it's a lot larger, so I can have some space. So where are my tweezers? Okay. Oh, they actually just lay down flat. Okay. Kitty down here. So I'm gonna put this pumpkin here, but I'm gonna cut it a little bit. I don't want to cut it because it's so cute, but maybe we'll find another spot for him. That smaller pumpkin. Put that down there so it looks like it's with that kitty cauldron. Okay, so then let's put the candy. I kind of want it floating throughout the pages. Large spider web. Where can we put this one? Ooh, that kind of looks cool. That. Okay, what about the floral washi here? Where can we put you? I'm gonna try to rip this in half some more. Like straight down the middle as best as I can. Okay, I wonder if I can use this extra webbing somewhere. Yeah, that looks cool. Just fix this real quick. Okay, then we need the bat. I'm gonna put this bat. Put the bat in that web. We need the owl. Okay, maybe I should move this candy. Trying to see if I want him right there or put him right here. Maybe add a pumpkin to sit on or a mushroom or some leaves. I wonder what this is. This is a big leaf, but it's super cool looking. Kind of goes with the color. Cool. Okay. These mushrooms are really awesome looking. I want to use some of these mushrooms here. Okay, I may have to add some white out to that because her stickers, like I said, they're really like transparent. So I'm gonna let that dry for a minute. Okay, let's add some more of these crunchy, dark looking leaves. Oh my gosh, I love playing with fall stuff. It's the best. Fall stickers. Okay, that should be dry. I'm just gonna cut this portion off. So fun. Okay, I think I need more florals. So I'm just gonna take the washi again and just kind of tear it up right down the middle. Split up this web for the pages as well. And there's this cool candle that I think may look cool here as well. So let me just figure out where I want the webbing. And then we have our boxes here. Oh my gosh, I'm just all over the place because I'm so excited about this spread. And I love that I'm kind of pre-planning and this will be done ahead of time. Cute. So I added my washi strips on that side and I want to add some of this web sticker. So I'm just going to cut it up and add it to the pages. Let's see what this looks like. Such an awesome icon with spider webs. It really just makes the page. And you can see I'm just like putting it anywhere. It's not like in a perfect spot. Okay, cool. So we got the webs. I'm gonna put some of these boxes down. Ooh, this looks so cool. Okay, can I put this last box? Or I did see another box that I think could work. The ones with the bats. Needed another one. Could put here and then add okay, let me fix this one. Fix this one. I'm just straightening the boxes, but I think I like how these look. See if this one looked over here. Ooh, that's super fun. Okay. All right. I think my spread is complete. Last thing that I want to do before I put this in my planner, I want to share with you guys a little trick. Following my channel and watching my plans with me, you guys know that I love using distress ink in my planner pages. I did this last year, especially for Halloween. I think I did like the most distressing because again, the fall, I just love using all the fun stickers. So I'm going to take a black soot. It's a distress ink. And I'm actually just going to do a little bit amongst the pages. So like the corners and the sides, just black. So this is how the spread turned out. I think it's really cute. I think it goes with the theme. I love all the stickers that came in that sticker book. I had to add some October letters here and then the year on that side. And just a quick share, this is from the Mambi sticks here. But I love how this came out. It's so pretty and spooky and just super fun. I'm so ready for the fall. So there's the planner spread. Let's run down on what you get in the autumn box. Again, this is the Plan Anything Mood box. This Plan Anything Autumns and Florals and Pumpkins, 30 sheets. So fun. Stay tuned. I will have another video up sharing some other planner spreads, pages, ideas, and then you get this fun fall pencil pouch and then the 2 sets of washi. And you also get the fun fall rose gold pen, super gorgeous. So that is everything that you get in the autumn box. I will have everything that you need to know about how to get your hands on this gorgeous sticker book in the description box down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me and unboxing. And don't forget about the beautiful floral classic cover. Simply gorgeous. So I will see you on the next one. Take care, stay safe, and happy planning. Bye.